Super Drill Lay Lily Industrial. This is our super high-speed drilling machine controlled by hydraulic and PLC with 5 to 8 times more speed than other conventional drilling machines. And CNC turning increases productivity, reduces costs, and increases profits. Equipped with a high-powered motor with a capacity from 5 to 80 millimeters in diameter, it takes only 30 seconds to drill stainless steel material with a measurement of 44 millimeters with a 25 millimeter depth. The spindle can run at 2500 RPM and up to 5000 RPM as an option. The spindle is equipped with a high-pressure coolant through the spindle center at 300 psi. This will extend the life of tooling and increase cutting speed. Equipped with the auto pallet, operation is easy and will increase productivity by 40% or more. Easy loading by a crane for bigger work pieces is available. We also supply options of ATC and horizontal or robot under customer requests. Super Drill Lay Lily Industrial.